Welcome back to our conversation on Lean Project Canvases. We've gone through our problem, we've defined our customer segments, we looked at some channels for delivering our solution. Now we want to drill in a bit deeper on these problem statements and see if we can come up with some interesting solutions that our customers will purchase from us. So, for example, we want a collaborative meeting space. And with our collaborative meeting space, just say we want equipment, maybe AV equipment, so AV audio-visual equipment, computers to go with the audio-visual equipment, or a lot of people, there's cloud computing nowadays, so basically what we'll do is we'll just wipe the computer or use a VM or something that can be rebooted, completely safe, so there's no viruses or anything. We boot up the VM, the person can log in with their credentials, go to their cloud service, and then pull down the information they need and do the presentation on the spot. That means we need to have internet access, maybe private meeting rooms. Maybe this is a little higher end with the people that are coming together and having these conversations. Perhaps they would do this at a restaurant, they want to have a drink. I can perhaps license my facility to sell alcohol. So I'll mark it as beverage or food. We can perhaps find somebody that can provide this service, or depending on where we are, we can link up with, if there's a restaurant beside it, we can link up in a way that the restaurant can sell us the food at a discounted rate. And then we can sell that to our clientele. We can get our own liquor licenses depending on your country or the city that you're in and what the laws are on alcohol. Here in Canada, there are some pretty strict laws on this, so we'd have to apply for a liquor permit for this place. So there's some legal aspects that we'd have to look at and have the legal team identify with some research. The other thing, we wanted ease of booking, the ability or to have some fast response. Because some of these people might be coming in maybe off of a plane, or they say, you know what, let's go and have a meeting at this facility and we can move fast with the business proposal. Because sometimes when you meet up with some people or your professional group and you got some ideas and you got some time, you just want to sit down and have that conversation quite early, quite quickly. You get the ideas talked about and then set up your plans for next steps. So the ability to perhaps even automate the booking or to see if that there's space available and reserve it right away, that can be something that perhaps we have a membership. Okay, and what I mean by a membership is if you want the ability to use the automated booking, or you want VIP services, or there's a special room that's saved for members only so it doesn't get booked as often, then that's another possible solution we could provide to our customers. And then in that sense, we can maybe get some stickiness to keep them within the business model.